The three types of data. Every analyst must know well revealed. Discover structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data, and how to use them. Created by Giardina.
Hey there, did you know that not all data are equal? How we organize data can change how we collect, analyze, and use it. Today, I will explain the three primary types of data: structured, unstructured, and semi-structured. Knowing these types will help you choose the right tools and methods for analysis. Let's dive in. First things first, what are the three types of data? They are structured data, organized and precise; unstructured data, raw and flexible; semi-structured data, a mix of both. Each type influences our approach to working with and analyzing information. Let's start with the structured data. This is the most organized type. Consider data in orderly rows and columns like in Excel or databases. For example, a customer database with names, addresses, and phone numbers. Every information fits into a specific field, making it easy to search, sort, and analyze. Next, unstructured data. Unlike structured data, this type doesn't follow a predefined format. Examples include text, images, videos, or audio files. Think about social media posts, online reviews, or videos you watch. They have valuable information, but they need tools to analyze it. These include natural language processing and image recognition. Finally, we have semi-structured data. This type is somewhere between. It has some structure but isn't as rigid as structured data. For example, consider an email. It has fields like from, to, and subject, plus the main unstructured text. Semi-structured data is often in JSON or XML. These systems use these formats to exchange data. Here's a quick recap. Structured data is well organized in tables. Unstructured data doesn't follow a specific format. Semi-structured data falls in the middle with a partial structure. Each type has unique challenges and requires specific tools for practical work. Why does this matter? Knowing the data type you're working with helps you to pick the proper analysis tools and methods. For example, SQL databases work best for structured data. Tools like Python or specialized AI are great for unstructured data. Congratulations! Now you understand the differences between structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss out, and if you have questions, leave them in the comments below. See you next time.